The 15 Best CrossFit WODs for Beginners. CrossFit Workouts, a type of high-power spin preparing. CrossFit is a quality and molding exercise that is comprised of practical development performed at a high force level. These developments are activities that you act in your everyday life, such as crouching, pulling, pushing, etc. Do these CrossFit workouts for good health. 1. 10-to-1 countdown WOD. Do 10 each of kettlebell swings at a moderate weight, followed by 10 dumbbell thrusters. Then do 9 of each, then 8, and so on, down to 1 of each. 2. Simple burpee workout. Do as many burpees as you can in 8 minutes. 3. Body weight WOD. Perform 3 rounds of 10 of the following with as much intensity as you can. Air squats, sit-ups, push-ups, ring rows, burpees. Four, squats, pull-ups, presses and a run. Do 3 rounds of the following as rapidly as possible. 12 front squats with a barbell, 10 pull-ups and 8 push presses. Finish up with a quarter-mile run. 5. The running sandwich. Do a quarter-mile run followed by 40 air squats, 30 sit-ups, 20 burpees and 10 pull-ups. Finish with another quarter-mile run. 6. Jumps and lunges. Do 5 fast rounds of the following. 15 lunges each leg with a moderate weight barbell. 60 jumps with a jump rope. 7. Push, pull, run. Do 5 rounds of the following. 10 push-ups and 10 pull-ups. Finish with a half-mile run. 8. Burpee box jumps. Set your timer for 8 minutes, then do as many rounds as you can of. 8 burpee box jumps and 16 kettlebell swings. 9, 21, 15 and 9. Do 21 each of deadlifts and burpees, followed by 15 of each, then 9 of each. 10. Squat routine. Start to squat with a barbell, but hold the down position for 2 minutes. Next, do 3 rounds of 10 burpees, 15 sit-ups and 20 air squats. 11. Tabata Push-Ups and Lunges. Tabata means to perform a move for 20 seconds, rest for 10 seconds, and repeat. Set a clock for 8 minutes and do Tabata alternating push-ups and lunges. 12. 10 for 10. Set a timer for 10 minutes and do as many rounds as possible of the following. 10 kettlebell swings. 10 box jumps, jump up onto a 12 to 20 inch tall box or step. 10 ring dips. 13. Dumbbells and jump ropes. Do each for 3 minutes straight, resting 1 minute between. Jumping rope, weighted sit-ups, weighted lunges and dumbbell thrusters. 14. Rope, sumos, and wall balls. Do 75 to 100 turns of the jump rope. Then count down with sets of 10, 9, 8, etc. down to 1 of the following. Wall balls. Do squats with a medicine ball about arm's length from a wall. Sumo deadlift high pulls. Finish up with 75 to 100 more jump rope turns. 15. Push-ups and burpees in 5s. Do 5 sets of the following, 5 push-ups, followed by 5 burpees. Then run in place for 1 minute. Do these CrossFit workouts for good health. What works best for you? Do let us know your comment below, and if you like the content of this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.